YouTube, what's up? How are you guys? Wish you all a very happy new year. This is Mohammad Badruddin and today I am going to solve another lab from Web Security Academy from file upload vulnerability. And this is gonna be lab number 4. Another thing is I'm very sorry because it takes too long for me to bring a new video for you, but I have a lot of things these days. So let's go and solve the lab. Before lab, as always, this warning and disclaimer for you. This video and its contents are only for educational purpose and I do not support any unethical or illegal act. That being said, let's go and jump to the lab. As we have solved 3 labs before regarding to that vulnerability file, upload vulnerability in web application. So today we are going to see another way and another scenario where developer actually set up a few new things. So we will see in a minute. So the lab is web shell upload via extension blacklist bypass. So we need to bypass the blacklist. This lab contains a vulnerable image upload function. Certain file extensions are blacklisted, but this defense can be bypassed due to fundamentals flaw in the configuration of this blacklist. That's good. To solve the lab, upload a basic PHP web shell, then use it to exfiltrate the contents of the file, which is home/carlos/secret. Submit this secret using a button, and we need to actually just submit the content of this file. And we have a valid credential, that is Wiener, and the password is Peter. So let's go and see what we have here. I already opened up the bug suite here, so I wanna actually trace all the requests, but let's go and first log in, because this time we already know where actually we need to find out the vulnerability, or where on which point actually the vulnerability exists. So okay, Wiener and the password is Peter. Fine, now I will capture the request here, and this lab is going to be again very interesting because you are going to see something very unique. Okay, so I'm going to browse the image and mountains.jpg. This is the legit image and we are going to upload it. And once we upload, the file has been uploaded back to my account, and you will see the image is visible here. Go back to the post request on the bug suite where we actually submit the image. So that's very good. Fine. Now again, the next time I am going to but before this I actually want to show you a bit interesting part here. Here in the response you can see the server running on the target machine is Apache 2.4.29. so this information is quite interesting, because if you know which on which platform that web application is working, you can say the attack surface or the surface where you find the vulnerability is going to be big. As much as information you gathered about the target, this is gonna very beneficial for you in terms of penetration testing, because as much surface you have to find the vulnerabilities or becoming attack vector on that, that will be good. So this is the most interesting information we have. Okay, this is the application, but this application is running on Apache 2.4.29. so that's been said, go back here and browse another file which we already created in the last lab, that is shell.php. If I show you that, so cat shell.php, so you can see I actually try to run system command to exfiltrate the content of this secret file with this command. There are many other commands or another functions you can use to exfiltrate the value of this file. So this is actually a PHP file. So I'm going to upload this file, upload, And as you can see, sorry, PHP files are not allowed. There was an error uploading your file. This is expected. So I'm going to the post request and send this request to the repeater. Go to the repeater, and now let's see. The request is same like before what we have. Okay, content type is multi-part form data, and this is the file name. This is the content of the file, and the username is Wiener, who is uploading the file. This is actually good because in the logs you will know which file is uploaded by which user. This is good, and this is the CSRF token. But the matter is, once we go and try to upload, we got forbidden. 403 forbidden means we cannot upload the file. So content type xphp. If we actually try what we did before, like image, and we can say jpg, and try to hit again, and as you can see, still we are not able to upload this file. Okay, another thing, if we try to set the null byte here and make it jpg and try again, it seems like it's uploaded because we have the 200 status code. Let's go back and see we actually uploaded successfully or not. So it seems like uploaded because we cannot see the content, but if once we go to view the image, so your browser sent a request, and as you can see here, it takes the full extension or full file name, but we don't need full file name, we just need this, and of course not found. This file is not found. So okay, it means with this technique also you cannot upload the file, right? So let's try something else. Go to Burp Suite again. So file is uploaded, but this file cannot solve your purpose, so there is no benefit. Okay, but this can be a way to bypass things. Fine. Okay. Let's try something like this. If we say JPG here and say it PHP here, try to send again, and forbidden. Yeah. So you cannot, anyhow, you cannot actually upload PHP file. But there is a thing, because a lot of time, what developers do, they actually set the directives, because as we know, we are using, or this target is using Apache server. So many times developer actually configure the configuration file inside the Apache server, and they set the global configuration and the directives. So according to that directives, you cannot actually execute the PHP files from anywhere in the server or from any path from that server. So if they actually set any file from which you can configure the directives, so that will be better. And I want to show you that thing. So clear, because we know we are running, the target is running Apache server. So ls -la /etc/apache2, and as you can see, there is Apache configuration file, and I want to show you this file. So clear cat /etc apache2 and apache.conf, apache2.conf. Okay, so if you go up, you will find this. Okay, now you can read about this here. Access file name, the name of the file, to look for each directory for additional configuration directives or directives. See also allow override directive. So you can actually configure as a developer. You can configure allow overrides and also access file names. So if you have any additional configuration files which contain the directives, so uh, you can put here, right? So as you can see, by default Apache server, in its configuration file, it has the access file name, that is .htaccess. So if we create this file inside the target machine with some kind of configuration, that configuration contains the directives, then we can execute the PHP files and we can upload the PHP files. So we are going to do the same. So first thing first, that we need to actually create the .htaccess file. And for this, let's come here. This is the post request, right? So now what I'm going to do here is just take this out from here, and the file name I'm going to say is .htaccess. Okay, then the content of the file is gonna be text and plain. Fine. And the content of the file is actually going to be because this file will work as additional global configuration file, and in this configuration file I'm going to set the directive. So it should be add type, and the type is going to be application /x httpd -php, and the extension is going to be .133t. That configuration is actually allow to execute PHP file on the server. So add type application /x httpd -php looks okay. So the file name is done, content type is done, rest of the things are going to be same. Just send this request, and as you can see, this request is accepted. And why this request is accepted? Because there is maybe there is no extension. Also maybe plain text files are allowed, not in the blacklist, so you can actually upload the plain text file. Now because we already upload this file, we can check this or not. Let me see. author.htaccess. No, we need to refresh the page. View image .htaccess. Okay, we cannot see, but this file is uploaded. Okay, because you don't have permission on this resource. Okay, no problem. Now we are going to upload the file from the same request. So you can edit, or you can just make like this. We don't need this, and everything seems okay. Just send the request. Okay, it's not uploaded because we actually defined 133t file extension. So let's try this file extension. I think that should work. Send it again, and yeah, it's uploaded this time. Now go back to the web page, just refresh this page and view the image, and yeah, you got the content of the file. So just take this content, copy back, submit solution, paste it, hit OK, and you solve the lab. So I hope you understand the concept, what actually we did. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you feel this content is valuable for you, please like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye.